You're going to be doing some finger spelling for me for your Lesson 12 Assignment 2. This set of 10 words, there's nothing special about them. We're not focusing on double letter hand shapes. We're not focusing on anything specific except for smooth letter transition and a good pacing. So we want to make sure our hand's not pushing forward with the word. So let's use the word friend. We don't want to sign F-R-I-E-N-D. We don't want to sign F-R-I-E-N-D. While we're signing, we don't want to mouth the letters. We want to mouth the word. We want our hand to stay in one spot right here, nice and steady. Our palm only turns if we're signing a G or an H. G and H can also be straight out. Otherwise, our hand should be forward the whole time. Even for a P, we're just going to drop our wrist down. Even for a Q, we're just going to drop our wrist down if it's there. Our elbow doesn't need to come up for a Q or a P. Okay, so you want to keep our hand there. I'm looking for a steady pace. This is level 1, so I don't expect you to be able to sign really, really, really fast. However, finger spelling yourself is a pretty easy skill to master. It should be pretty simple for you to learn how to do the letter hand shapes and to get a good flow with your signing. It's much more challenging to learn how to read, to learn how to interpret finger spelling. But at this point, you should have a nice steady pace. I might spell friend fast. You can still spell it nice and steady and smooth, letter to letter, the same transitioning, not like pausing and going, there shouldn't be a chop. Also, if you do make a mistake during a word, you can't fix that by starting in the middle of the word. You need to start the word over. So you don't have to stop the tape and start recording over and go through all that again. Just go, wrong, and start again from the start of the word. A deaf person wouldn't know where you messed up. So starting in the middle could just cause even more confusion. Okay? So again, no special rules we're worried about here except for keeping our hand in one nice steady spot, not twisting the wrist inappropriately or at the wrong times, and having a nice steady pace from letter to letter. Make sure we're signing our number 1, number 2, number 3 before we finger spell the word. Okay? Good luck, and please, 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 please be practicing on ASL.ms your receptive skills if you don't have anybody to sign with, because the receptive skills are definitely the challenging part of finger spelling. You really need to practice and practice and practice that. If you are pursuing signing more enthusiastically, I have some additional resources and places you can go to practice finger spelling, and you can send me an email if you'd like to have resources like that, if you'd like me to show you where some of those sites are and videos are where you could practice finger spelling more and more. Okay, thank you very much. I'm looking forward to your videos.